So yeah, we got this 220 6-speed manual. It's a pretty awesome car. Low miles, all the maintenance is pretty much good. We're just gonna do an oil change and stuff on it. But one thing that I did notice is that it's got a little tire wear over here. And then look up here, strut got smashed up in there, something bent it. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace all the suspension over here. Had a little camber in. You can see the scraping up there. You can see the bend mark right here.
That's crazy.
That is crazy. New arms. So when it's finished, it's gonna be flawless.
Four new cars just got in. 340i, this one's a 16, which is a hair under 100,000 miles, right at 95. Bone stock B58, F30, tan interior, sport pack, Lux package, tons of options. Come over here. It's a 15 228i with over $12,000, almost $15,000 in options. It's only got 54,000 miles, mineral white on brown. Love this one. 50,000 miles, stupid clean, just went through the shop, did not need much at all. Comfort access, premium tech, tons of options on this one. Third, coming in is an E89 Z4, black, red, 6-speed manual, just a hair over 60,000 miles. Stay tuned, that'll be in the next video. Fourth, come inside. Last is this F Generation 328i with one previous owner, 6-speed manual transmission, Alpine with peanut butter interior. Sport package, a bunch of other options, only one previous owner. Someone threw some Coney wheels on, really nice set of Michelins, getting his service work done now. This one will be listed by the time you see this video.